so today I want to do a short video, like a 2-minute video, talk about this crochet hook. I want to let you know that this crochet hook is the cheapest crochet hook I have never purchased, and one of the best ever. Like, you know, I have a crochet hook from Tulip and I love it so much because it's very smooth, and I love the golden kind of, you know, and the hook, it is so nice. But then I get so bored using the same color hook all the time. You already know when I crochet the same thing, I just get bored so easily. So I just been looking for a hook that have different colors, and I come across this hook from Amazon. And just before I go into details, this is not sponsored or anything. I just purchased with my own money, and it's super cheap. So all this hook is come together. I tell you the price later on, but I want to show you all these colors. It's so beautiful. I love all these metallic colors, and also come from the size. The smallest one, this one, is 2 millimeters size. And then come 2.5. You can see the color slowly, the size slowly coming up. Like in each hook is like 0.5 millimeters bigger. So this one is 3. This is one of my favorite colors, 3. And then we have 3.5, which actually very close to the number 3. And then we have, where is it? 4 is in green. Then we have 4.5 is in the strong pink. Then we have 5 is in blue. Oops. Then we have, let's see, 5.5. Look at this color. It's also very nice. I don't know what color is this. It's more like salmon, but a little stronger. So this is 5.5. Then we come to the number 6 is blue. Okay, my battery died, so I try to do it again. Okay, so here until 5.5, and now come 6 millimeter. I want to show you all the color when they are together. They're so beautiful. And 6.5 is this one. It's also my favorite colors. I don't know why I like pink this day, but it's not like, I like this pink too, but I also like this more like rose. So this one 6.5. And then we have 7, again blue. Ooh, so windy. 7, but we don't have 7.5. After 7 we have 8. Finally the red one. So red one, 8 is red one, and then have 9. 9 is also blue. Wow, it's cold. And then the last one we have 10. Let me count how many. So we have 14 hooks. Let's guess how much. Ding 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 ding. €7.25 for all these hooks. It's so cheap, right? And I love it so much. This is the hook that I have been carrying all this time, and many projects I use this hook so far, and I'm going to use this hook for all the more designs coming because it's so smooth. I wanted to show you closely like how the head of the hook look like. The head of the hook looks like. That's what I mean. I don't know if this even zoom. Can you see? Yeah. It's this style. This I like it. And it's so smooth. Ooh. I never used this so tiny. This is very tiny, 2.5. My favorite hook to use is this size 3, 3.5. 4 and 4.5. This 4 size is my favorite. I want to know what is your favorite hook size. Please comment down below what is your favorite hook size and what brand are you using right now. You use wooden hook, or you use a metal hook, or you use, I don't know. I actually have different hooks from even the most expensive company, and I didn't like it so much because it's not that smooth and make the work take even longer than it should be. So I would like to hear from you, what is your favorite hook and why? So please comment down below, and also give the name of the company. You don't have to put the link if you don't want to, because when you put the link under my comment section, like under my video, YouTube tend to delete it or just don't let you put that, because it's more likely gonna be a spam of the comments. So just give us the name. This way I can have a look, and also other people in our tribe can also have a look on this hook. But check out this hook as well. I put the link, the direct link, under this video, because this is my video, so I can put the link. Alright, I hope you like this short video. Next video I want to talk about what is the best method to find out what is your bra cup that when you make for your customer, and it's not too confusing. Because now in the conversation for making this new top, Marilyn top, we have the discussion about the bra cup and how to actually find out what is the right number of the band and of the breast, you know. So if you want to know how to do that, next video, just bring your tape measurement, and I teach you how you can do manually by yourself if you don't have an internet at that time. And also what is the website that is trustworthy, like the website that I use, and yeah, to calculate the bra cup size for myself and for create all of my designs that you see so far. You know, this is my job, all the numbers and all the boobs number. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Under this video you see that little box say subscribe. You can click that box. If you love this video, you can just hit that like button. Click that bell as well, so that you become automatically VIP to my channel. So when I post a new video, you get a notify in your inbox. I don't know why I'm moving my hand so much like this. It's crazy. Okay, I see you next time. Mwah. Happy crocheting. Bye bye. I don't know why I do that. Crazy.